On our website at twocanoes.com/SSO, we have a guided walkthrough of using Platform SSO to log into your Mac using your cloud credentials. Let me show you what it looks like. I have already set up this Mac with a local admin account from the Setup Assistant, enrolled in MDM, and installed the app that enables Platform SSO. I'll log in as a local admin, and Platform SSO will prompt me to enroll my device. I'll enter in my local user account name, and my Mac will be enrolled. Next, I'll need to associate my local account with my cloud account, so I'll enter in my username and password for my cloud identity. I'm now done. Now if I go to Users and Groups and look at my local admin account, I'll see the user account is registered and I have single sign-on tokens. I can also see that my Mac is enrolled by looking in Network Account Server. Now I'll create a new user using their cloud user identity. This Mac only has a single user, so I'll log out and log in as a new user that exists on my identity provider. The new user is liz@twocanoes.com, and I'll enter in Liz's cloud password as well. The local user account will be provisioned and a home directory will be created, and the user account password will be set to the cloud account password. As you can see, the local home directory was created with the short name of Liz, and if I go into Users and Groups, I can see the newly created user Liz has a full name and is a standard user. Looking at the MDM profile for Platform SSO, you can see that I added an authorization group to allow standard users to install software. I'll download a package installer from twocanoes.com and install our Automaton app. The installer normally requires administrator rights to install software, but since Platform SSO added a right to the authorization DB to allow a group Liz was in to install software, I can use her credentials to install. To learn more and try this out yourself with our guided tour of Platform SSO, please visit us at twocanoes.com/SSO.